Hi dear students, welcome back to my channel. So today class we are going to discuss about properties of definite integrals. So this is for 6 marks important to the second few annual examination. So totally 8 properties are there. In that the 3 basic properties are there. So how to prove that 3 basic property? So now we can see here. So the property number 1, that is the integral, the range varying from a to b f of x with respect to x is nothing but the integral of f of x with respect to what? F of t with respect to t. So the same we can change here, that is substitute x is equal to t. So then you have to change the dx is equal to dt. If x value is a, then t value is also a. If x value is b, t value is also b. Then you can change the range. That range are what? A to b, then f of t with respect to t, hence fruit. Is it clear? So the property one is directly you can change the f of x with respect to x, f of t with respect to t. It means what? The f of x is nothing but f of t when with respect to t, when with respect to x. Both are what? Same. Whatever the value are there, you can change the both the value, the function representing. I hope this one is clear. This is what your RHS hence proof. And the second property is nothing but changing the range. The upper range become lower range and lower range become a upper range. So if b comes to the lower range, then it will be minus. Then how it becomes minus, we have to know it. Clear? So now we can start with the integral of a to b f of x with respect to x. The answer of this one, f of x, the range is varying from a to b. If the range is varying from a to b, then you have to substitute the value. First higher range minus lower range. If I take the minus common, you can write it as a f of a minus f of b. Then again this integral is nothing but what? You can write it as a integral varying from the higher range, a, and lower range is what? Sorry, the higher range is what? A, and lower range is what? B. Now the ranges are same and the function is mapping from f of x with respect to x. Hence now this is what your RHS side, hence proved. Is it clear? Then what is a to b f of x with respect to x? You can write it as a, whenever you are changing the range lower to higher or higher to lower, then the your minus will comes to the integral. You have to remember this one. This is also very important. Clear? And third property, you can split the integration with a middle number. Now c is what? A middle number between a and b. So now take the a to b integral, that is what we are solving, f of x integral a to b with respect to x. Already we know the answer, f of x, the range is varying from a to b. So whenever you are changing the range, then you have to substitute what? F of b minus f of a. In the middle number you can take f of b minus f of c plus f of c with respect to minus f of a. So now you are changing higher range minus lower range, that is nothing but f of c minus f of a plus f of b minus f of c. You can write it as, this is the first one, this is the second one. So now take this one as a separate one and this as a separate one. This is another and this is also another integral. Now the higher range is what? C, lower range is what? A, plus higher range is what? B, and lower range is what? A. Then the f of x with respect to x and f of x with respect to x. This is what your final answer, hence proved. I hope this is clear. So let me tell that all three integrals means a to b f of x with respect to x. You can change the variable with also respect to variable, that is f of t with respect to t without affecting the ranges. A to b f of x dx. If you change the range, then you have to take that value ಯಾವುದು minus, and also you can split the integral f of x with respect to x a to c f of x with respect to x plus and c to b f of x with respect to x. So these are the three basic properties to solve the next one. In the next class we can solve the integral of that is very important for 5 marks, so we can discuss that clearer. So okay,